In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Pixverse AI V3 account. So as you can see, I'm signed in with my account right now, and if I click over here, there's actually no option whatsoever to delete your account. You can't even go into settings and you can't do anything, and there's no button to do it on the website. So from what I've been able to find out is that if you go to privacy policy over here and you open it up and you scroll to the very bottom over here, you can see a note which says how to contact us, and then it says if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please contact us via the online customer service or via email to support@pixverse.ai. So what you want to do if you want your account deleted, you simply want to email them to this email and request your account deletion, tell them you would like to delete your account, and they will for sure help you out. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.